Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft. Hi there, from Christie's Lead Services. I just came across your business. I work out of Abington, and I thought I'd shoot you the screencast, show you how you're doing online, maybe give you some insight into how you can get some more leads online. If after watching you'd like to learn anything more about my services, please reach out via phone, email, or text. I work within budgets, and my door is always open. And if not, if the timing's not right, then no harm, no foul. I appreciate you watching. So I'm going to go over content and keywords on your front page first. So here's your home page. These are nice call to actions here, which just allows people right away to do something, which is always good. So we like to put about 1,500 words of content on your front page here. So that helps Google understand what you're trying to service and where. And within those 1,500 words of content, we put about 10 highly searched relevant keywords. Things like gutter repair in whatever area you want to service, Philadelphia, gutter repair, Bucks County. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did gutter services in southeastern PA. I could have searched for the same thing in many different ways. In fact, I left out the C. One of the ways to optimize your website is to figure out what's being searched the most that you want to be found for and appear first for that, especially here in the map pack. So being in the map pack gives you a lot of visibility and just a lot of lines, usually 5, especially on mobile. You can just click here and call. And if you're in the map pack top spot and top business underneath it, you're going to get on average about 80% of the search volume with high buyer intent leads that come to this page. So in order to get in the map pack here, you need to go through a little process to fill out a form with Google, and you want to keep your reviews up, and you also have to have more citations than your competitors. So you're probably wondering like what a citation is. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number in online directories throughout the web like Angie's and Yellow Pages, Yelp. The more you're out there, the more Google trusts you, and then they bump you up in the map pack for all these different keywords. So in order to go underneath it, to be the first business underneath it, which appears to be this one maybe, or maybe this one, you want to have the most backlinks and the strongest referring domains. So backlink is just another website that links back to yours. Could be a blog about your services. Someone posts your website, that's the link, and then the blog is known as the referring domain. So here's your website. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, a couple hundred a month if you, depending on what you want to do with it. But these are the backlinks you have, the referring domains. And the keywords and traffic doesn't look like you're being found for much. Now this is off by a little bit, I'm sure. So you could be found for some things, but probably not as much as you could be if you were optimizing your website and you wanted to be found on the internet for more. Here's just a competitor. Their backlinks, their domains. I'm going to pop into their keywords and their traffic that they're getting. They're pretty powerful here. It means they have a lot of backlinks and strong domains behind them. And I'll just show you kind of what I mean by keywords. And these are all backed again by referring domains, where the better quality, the more strength you're going to get, and the higher positioning you're going to get. Okay, so these are some of the words that one of your competitors is being found for. Let's just look here real quick. Gutter cleaning service. I'm just looking for something with a location behind it. Gutters, New Jersey. That could be buyer intent, but maybe someone's actually looking to buy gutters and not have them installed, which still could be good for a company like yours. 350 searches a month. The difficulty is 15. This goes all the way up to 100, with 100 being the most difficult, so it's not too difficult. They're in position 4. And Raleigh, North Carolina, gutter cleaning. So that's high buyer intent. So this person lives in Raleigh, wants their gutters cleaned. 450 searches, easy to rank for, and they're in spot 5. Just to kind of give you an idea of what those keywords would look like if you wanted to add them into some more of your content and pop up for some more searches. So like I said, I hope this was helpful, and I work within budgets. I really just like to help our local Small businesses get found on Google if they're looking for more leads, more customers, and more sales. My door is always open. Please reach out. And, you know, if the timing's not right, that's fine too. I understand. I appreciate you watching. Have an awesome day.